Stop.
What do you have to say?
Now you stop.
I'm gonna break your finger. I'm gonna break everything.
Duckles!
Doesn't he hate when people call him that?
Yeah, they do. Okay, turtle!
I'm gonna straight up just slap you if you don't stop.
Stop recording this.
Ooh. It's funny.
No, it's not.
It is too.
Dog pouting. He's gonna get angry and then he's gonna be grouchy for the rest of the day.
What is that? You're kidding.
I look over and I see that. That's nice. I see a nice view of your nose and lips right here.
I wasn't doing anything.
Stop. If you don't stop, I'm gonna.
Oh, this is adorable.
I'm seriously gonna bust out the big guns.
What's the big gun?
You're fat. Oh, sorry. What can you do?
We're such a
You
jerk.
can shuffle.
Even when you're
I
teasing, you're a
told her I was
jerk.
gonna bust out the big guns, and that was a pretty big gun apparently. No, that wasn't a big
Oh,
gun. That was a small gun with a
mean.
big bullet.
That was mean.
It was nice, wasn't it? It was pretty.
No, it was not. You did
She's
not
just-
tell a girl that.
She's just attention hungry. Okay.
She's what?
She's just doing that for attention.
I know people
She's
like
not
that.
really bad. Or she's really bad and wants to kill me. I don't know. I'll take my chances because she's not that sarcastic. I don't really care.
Now that we have your confession on tape.
I really don't care. If her feelings are hurt or not, I don't really care.
Remember, you don't care about her feelings.
Exactly. I think it's funny though, but I don't care about it.